Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and I have a unboxing, a good old-fashioned unboxing video for you today. Two items. Let's start with this one first. Alright. And this is the Maxpedition Platty. I think this is the 5x7. Let's take a look right here. It might say it right there. Yeah, 5x7 Platty Pocket Organizer from Maxpedition. Yes, sir. And I actually have two of these already. I have a black one and a wolf green one. The wolf green one, Tim over at Maxpedition sent to me. The black one I bought on my own. And this foliage green one here today, I bought for myself again. So I have three of these, one that was given to me and two that I bought. All right. And that's how much I love the Maxpedition Platty. In particular, the 5x7, the bigger one. This does fit in the cargo pants pocket real nice. And I'm not going to go over it. You can go look at my old videos if you want to take a look at what this has to offer. But I got this because I am working on a new EDC pouch for new EDC stuff. All right, let's go here. And speaking of which, we're going to the next unboxing, which is by Griaitus. Can you pronounce that, guys? Tell me. Griaitus. Griaitus. Let me know how you pronounce it in the comment section below. I don't know how you're gonna do that, but anyway, let me know if I messed it up. All right, so let's open this up. It's pretty heavy. Dang, what could it be? If you know the company, then you probably know what it's going to be because you know what they make. But here we go. Let's get this open. A good old-fashioned unboxing. Bored this Sunday evening, so I do unboxing. Here we have Griaitus multi-tool. Take a real good look at the box. Real good look. Here is the list of all the tools that are on this tool. If you want to pause that and read that, that's up to you. And 10-in-1 multi-tool. So it's an EDC pry bar multi-tool, 10-in-1 professional tool, efficient lit fee, whatever. Alrighty. There's some more information right there. Made in China. Alright, let's get it open. Ta-da! Alright, so look at the literature. Now, I kind of strayed away from my favorite pry tool, which is the old pry 2, because this had more stuff on it. So I thought I'd get this one. It is a bit heavy. It comes with these two lead pencil replacements because I think there are pencils involved. This is a lead pencil. Pencil lead. I think that's what it is. Okay, it comes with two of those. Okay, and here is the actual tool. Pretty heavy. I'm gonna guesstimate around 6.5 ounces, maybe a little heavier. It weighs almost as much as a real multi-tool. There's a ratchet. Okay. ratchet. Here's the pencil. Oh, that's supposed to be a pencil. Let's see if it writes. I'm curious. Yep, sure does. I like that. That's so cool. That is a pencil. And like I said, it comes with 2 replacements. I'm not sure what this is. Is it a... I don't think that's a bottle cap opener. Let's put that back in. Like that. That's magnetically in there. And then you got the bottle cap opener right here. You got the wrench sockets here. It's not sharp, but you can actually use this to tear open boxes. Yeah, y'all. Let's see here. You got the... Okay, these are the bits. You got the flat tip bit magnetically in there. And then you got the Phillips head bit. Okay, let's put that in here like that. And it ratchets. Can you hear the ratchet? All right. Okay. But I got it mainly for it to be a pry bar because I love having a pry bar in my EDC. It does come with the pocket clip right here. Okay. So you got the ratchet socket here. You got the pencil right there. You got the bottle cap lifter. I wish it had a can opener, but you can always open the can with this part here. No problem. Still trying to figure out what this part is. Let's see. Well, that's the manual say. It doesn't really tell you. Yep. Very cool. All right, so that is the Monday unboxing of 2 items that we are going to include in our new EDC pouch. Stick around for that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Pretty hefty. I like it. All right, see ya.